How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 67 Camaro RS SS. It's just had a complete restoration within the last year. Super nice car. Done Marina Blue with the white bumblebee stripe on the nose. It's all painted on. See, the front bumper's all been replaced. The grill and everything looks real nice in the car. I tell you, I like the SS hood on this car instead of everybody using the cowl hood. The SS's just got a look of their own. Car's nice and straight down the sides. Super nice car. Got a set of American torque thrust D's on it. Nice vintage looking wheel. The rear bumper's all been replaced. Tail light housings. All the gaps on the car look real nice. Paint is super flat, super nice, slick. Tell you, I really like it in the blue with the white nose stripe. Super nice looking. Got your nice little small block in it. It's got aluminum intake, got your headers, got your factory fin valve covers on it. It's got 4-wheel power disc brakes. Super nice. Got your power steering. It's all nicely detailed under the hood. This is a 4-speed car. Jams look real nice. All the interior's been redone. It's got your factory tach and gauge package. Got a new headliner. Nice and tight, no wrinkles. It's got your deluxe seat covers, front and rear seat belts. It's got the factory console in it with the gauge package. Trunk looks real nice in the car. Got your front and your rear spoilers on it. Tell you, it's just a super nice car. Things ready to get in it, cruise it to your shows, enjoy it. Tell you, I like the deluxe interior with the white stripe in the seats. Really looks nice. They did do a retrofit AM/FM stereo in it. Looks factory. All the jams look nice. The deluxe door panels. Fires right up. It's got a mild cam in it. Headlights work like they should. Tell you, it's just a super nice car, guys. Sounds real good. It's got a full 2.5-inch exhaust all the way out the back in a stock location. Sounds good. Tell you, this thing's ready to cruise. Go to your shows, enjoy it, have a real good time with the car. And check out our complete inventory, rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, guys.